Hello, welcome to Learnlee Online Tutors. My name is Ella and I will be your art teacher. So throughout this session, we will learn about tips and tricks for delving deeper into arts. And as Mike Sanders said, no one likes a know-it-all. Actually, most of us realize there's no such thing as how could there be? Well, the world is far too complicated for someone to understand everything there is to know. So, when you come across a know-it-all, you smile to yourself, right? As they rumble on because you know better. Just like in drawing. Learning to draw is not difficult. All it takes to draw effectively is the desire to do it. A little persistence, the ability to observe, and the willingness to take time to correct any mistakes. Yeah, patience. This these lessons will help you develop your patience and positive outlook in the things that surrounds you. So this last point is very important as mistakes are not in themselves bad because actually there are opportunities for improvement as long as you always put them in the right thing so that you will know what to do in the next step. And in this video, this is primarily designed for those who haven't done very much drawing before. So you may find that carrying out the steps shown here is a good way to loosen yourself up for what follows. And the act of producing markings, which is what sketching is all about, never loses its usefulness, no matter how skilled you become. So, yeah, along this video are these steps and techniques on how you can make a realistic look drawing. So, yeah, that's it. Without further ado, let's start. Right, for the materials, let's prepare our graphite pencils. So we will be using the 6B pencil. Okay, there you go. Now let's have the 4B pencil. Okay, if you have that, it's good to go. Now next, let's have the 2B. Okay, and that B pencil. Lastly, we have the 2H. So as you can see, there are different grades of pencils here. And now we will only be using those that we've picked. Okay, now these are the paper that we will be using, which is a Canson. And there you go. These are the pencils. We have the 6B, 4B, 2B, and 2H. Okay. Now, to start with, the grade of graphite pencil that we are going to use first is the 2H pencil. Okay, so, and if you have any circle-shaped object there, you can use that to trace the shape of the circle. So there you go. I have here with me. Okay, so you just have to trace the circle shape, okay? All right, so the next step is to identify where the light is coming from. So if you are a right-handed type of person, just imagine that the light is coming from the upper right part of your paper. Okay, so now please, as you observe the nib of my pencil, you can see that it is properly sharpened, right? So if a pencil is properly sharpened, it allows you to have much more control over the quality of your lines. So with the same pencil, you will be able to draw a sharp, precise line or stroke. You should also hold the pencil at the back of it, so you can put only a little pressure on the surface of your paper. Okay, so using the circular stroke, controlled strokes, fill out the whole circle. The yeah, fill out the whole circle, but remember to put a very light pressure. Okay, so there you go. Just have to fill it out all through all the way through. Okay. Okay, and just have to go back and forth. Okay, just and now the edges, you fill it out. So the graphite into surface using varied amounts pressures, you fill it out.